Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope that guys the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. This is the 8th video guys, which simply means I'm doing question 8 from the grade 11 mathematics paper 1 examination. It was written in the year 2022 and the paper was issued by the Department of Basic Education. Please note that guys, you can just click the link on the description below. It will direct you to the playlist with the full memorandum, whereby you can answer the questions with me. If there are things you do not understand, please do not hesitate to ask on the comment section. I'll definitely come and assist you. Um, yeah, and don't forget, guys, to share the video to your peers. A thing or two that I mentioned here can help them. Um, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well. Okay. Question 8. A school buys tablets at a total cost of 140,000. If the average rate of inflation is 6.1% per annum over the next 4 years, determine the cost of replacing these tablets in 4 years. I'll simply say A is equal to P1 plus I all raised to the power n. Please note that guys, the inflation rate is always compounded annually together. So the principal amount, the tablets cost 140,000 rands right now. I want to know how much will be the total cost of tablets in 4 years time, and the interest rate is just 6.1%, so that's 0.61 all raised to the power 4. So I'll simply get 140,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.061 all raised to the power 4. The cost of the total tablets in 7 years will cost 177,414 rands. 414 rands 69 cents. So the cost of the tablets in 4 years is just 177,414.69. Okay, and then now I'm told that an investment earns an interest rate an investment earns an interest at a rate of 7% per annum compounded semi-annually. Calculate the effective annual interest rate on this investment. I must convert the nominal interest to effective interest. There is a formula for that. It simply says 1 plus I effective is equal to 1 plus I nominal all over m all raised to the power of m. M just represents the number of times interest is calculated in a single year, or you can say that m represents the number of compoundings. So I'll have my I effective being equals to 1 plus I to the m all over m to the m minus 1. Then now let me just substitute. I have 1 plus, they said how many percent? 7% per annum compounded semi-annually. That's 0.07 all over 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Whenever I punch my calculator, I have 1 plus 0.07 all over 2 all raised to the power 2 minus 1. So this will give me 0.071225 as I effective. but I want to find the ratio. No, not the ratio rather, but the rate of interest. I must just multiply my answer by 100. I'll simply get 7.12% compounded annually, not compounded rather, per annum. 7.12% per annum. Please guys, always the time, your effective interest must always be greater than the nominal interest. If you find your effective interest to be less than your nominal interest or equal to the nominal interest, it simply means there's something wrong that you did. Okay, now let's do 8.3. As I'm creating some room for me to write, guys, just click that button. It's written subscribe. Ayinabungozi leyo nto. Akushuthi danki ke. Okay, a savings account was opened with an initial investment of 24,000, and then 18 months later 7,000 was withdrawn from the account. Calculate how much money will be in the savings account at the end of 4 years if the interest rate was 10.5% per annum compounded monthly. Okay, always visualize, guys, your financial period. Yeah, draw your timeline from T0 up until T48. Right, together we are told that 18 months. Okay, the initial amount which was deposited is 24,000, and then 18 months later, T18, 7,000 was withdrawn. So I'm going to subtract the 7,000, and the rate of interest is the same. It's just 10.5% per annum compounded monthly. Okay, you can do this thing, guys, in two ways. You can move from point A to point B and to point C. Are you together? How so? I believe that whenever you see a change in financial maths, you need to stop and check how much money do you have in your account before the change occurs. Are you together? So I'll move from A to B first. My principal amount is 24,000 rands, and the rate of interest is 0.105 all over 12. N is 18 because the change happens after 18 months, right? I just want to find the value of A. I'll simply use my formula. It says y plus I to the n. This is 24,000 rands. 1 plus 0.105 all over 12 to the power 18. What do we get there? 24,000 1 plus 0.105 all over 12 all raised to the power 18. This will give us 28,074 rands. 70 cents. Before the change occurs, guys, this was the amount of money that I had. 28,074 rands 70 cents. Are you together? And then now whenever I move from point B to C, the principal amount, I'll just take that amount of money subtracts the 7,000 which will be withdrawn. So the new principal amount of money is just 21,074 rands 70 cents. Interest is still 0.105 all over 12. And for me to find n, I'll simply say 48 minus 18, that's 30. I just want to find a. A will be the amount of money I will have there. Okay. How can I find A? I'll simply say A is equal to P 1 plus I to the N. P is 21,074.70. 1 plus 0.105 all over 12, all raised to the power 30. You'll obviously have 21074.70, 1 plus 0.105 all over 12 to the power of 30. So this will give me 27,369 and 56 cents. This is the amount of money that, guys, you will have now. You can do it this way. There is a quicker way that you can do it with. If you're not comfortable with just stopping whenever you see the change, then accounting for a change, then move forward, you can just do this in one step. Remember that our answer we got, but we did round off in the middle. We got 27,369.56. Okay. There is another way, a shorter way, that you can do all of this. All of there. Can simply say that yes, A is equal to P 1 plus I to the N, right? Can just take 24,000 1 plus 0.105 all over 12, all raised to the power 48, minus 7,000 1 plus 0.105 over 12, all raised to the power 30. And then this should give you the final answer. Why am I doing like this, guys? Okay, I'll take it as if like I just took the 24,000 and it accumulated, but the money which accumulated, I also omitted the 7,000 altogether. So I must just subtract the 7,000 which was withdrawn, and the amount of interest that the 7,000 wrongfully earned. That's why you're supposed to do this. The 7,000 wrongfully earned the interest for 30 months. That's why I have 30 there. Okay, I have 24,000 minus 7,000. This is 1 plus 0.105 over 12. The exponent here, what's the exponent there? That's 48. Then I have 1 plus 0.105 over 12. Yabona ke calculating inzani. .105 over 12. we still get the same answer, né, guys? It's 27,369.56. You can do it by stopping whenever there's a change, or just do it in one calculation. It's up to you. Are you together? But you'll still get the same answer, 27,369 rands 56 cents. Okay, now let's move to 8.4. Okay, 8.4. 8.4. We are told that a certain car, a car costing 198,000 rands has a book value of 102,755 cents. A car costing 198,000 rands has a book value of 102,755 rands 34 cents after 3 years. If the value of the car depreciates at R% per annum on a reducing balance, calculate R. Okay. Since we're dealing with depreciation, a book value, guys, is a value of an asset after depreciation. Né? So that's A equals to P1 minus I to the power of N. I'm choosing to use this one because I'm told that the car was depreciating on a reducing balance method. Are we together? Whenever they say reducing balance or diminishing balance method, I'm going to use this one. The value of the car will become 102,755.34, and the principal amount of the car was 198,000. 1 minus I to the power, they said how many years? 3 years. So I'm just supposed to find the value of I and then go and find R. How can I do that? I must just say 102,755.34 divided by 198,000. Okay, and then I must find the cube root. How can I find the cube root? Shift K answer Buffet. So I'll have 0.80361198183 is equal to 1 minus I. Then I'll take the I to the other side. I'll have 1 minus answer. This will give me, I will be 0.19638801817. So therefore the value of R, I'll just multiply I by 100. This is just 19.64% per annum. The value of R, guys, is just 19.64%. That's how, guys, we could have tackled question 8. And I really hope that, guys, the video helped you. Please, guys, don't forget to share the video to your peers, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much for your time. Shoot it down.